Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In this tutorial we will know about view, how to save view at any angle. We know from here view rotations and by shortcuts Ctrl+5 for top view, Ctrl+3 for left view, Ctrl+1 for front view, Ctrl+4 for right view, Ctrl+2 for back view, Ctrl+6 for bottom view. We know these shortcuts for view in part view toolbar tutorial, and here also some single view, two view horizontal. This view is top view and this is the front view. See here, top view, front view. Again select view orientation, select two views vertical. This is the front view, this is the right view. This is the fore view, front view, left view, top view and isometric view. And this is link view. We can also change every view. Again select this and this, select this. We can also save the view at any angle. For example, I want to save the view at this angle. For that, select view orientations. Here select new view. Now view name, I type any name, view 1. Okay. Ctrl+7 for isometric view. If we want that view, select this view orientation and select view 1, the view which we save. Front view, view 1, like this. Okay. So this is the tutorial how to save view in SolidWorks assembly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.